Welcome back to our channel. If you like our sharing, remember like, subscribe, and share to support us, okay? Question 11 is about geometry problem. Here's some description here. Look at all the thing. Okay, 20 meter, 14 meter, yeah, A and B, and then north and south. Okay, all the things are on the diagram. So you just make sure all the things are on the diagram. So when you work on it, you just look at the diagram is enough. So you really have to forget this thing too. Okay, so this is the question. You really don't need to look at the previous description. Okay. Okay. Show that AB equals 28.57 correct to 4 figure. So look at AB is here. So remember the circles property. Remember when you join this together too. Still the radius, right? And you remember perpendicular, so bisect, okay? So AB is 2AP, right? And you can find AP by Pythagoras theorem, square root 20 square minus 14 square. So you got AB, so it is 2 square root 20 square minus 14 square. Remember, it is a sum question, so you have to do it with a very high accuracy, higher than it, so you could calculate it. Okay, calculate the time. Welcome back. There you got it. It's 28.5657. Yeah, then you can get the last mark because you show that you really did it. Okay, and then approximately 28.57. Well done. Okay, next one, the springer rotate at a constant speed of 1 revolution, 16 seconds. Show that the springles rotate an angle of 5.8 radian in 1 second. So it is an angular speed, right? Remember, 1 revolution is 2 pi. So angle over time is the angular speed. So this one is angular speed is 2 pi over 16. Sorry, I really can't find other intermediate step. This is my intermediate step. Then it's 5.8 radian per second. And that's it. So for now, part C, okay, let's T second be the time to travel through AB, okay? A and B is water. It means the spring will travel from A to B. Okay, find the value of T. Maybe it is connected with this spring, right? The angular speed is at 5.8, okay, in 1 second. So what you need to do is to find out the angle in radian and then divide this angle with pi over 8, the angular speed, and that's it. How to find it? Okay, remember, use the original number 14 and 20. Okay, this angle is inverse cosine, right? Remember, change to the radian mode. Okay, so you know that period equals 2 theta over pi over 8, and then theta is inverse cosine, right? Inverse cosine arc cosine of 14 over 20, and then over pi over 8, and this is the value. Pause the video, work on it. Welcome back. Okay, time to check your answer. It is 4.05 seconds. You got it. Yeah, well done. Okay. See you for the other parts.